Hey guys, it's your creative quirky makeup artist friend Cat Sketch here today to bring you another crazy makeup effects transformation. This is something that I feel is like 'tis the season. I wanted to do it during Halloween, but it is still autumn, like pumpkin season. To me, anyways. Fall vibes for life. If the pumpkin spice trend came to life, it would be from my favorite movie. This is literally probably one of my all-time favorite Halloween movies of all time, which is Trick or Treat. There is this character in it. It is like this demonic looking child with a ball head mask thing, and once his mask comes off, he looks like this, which looks like a pumpkin carved open, but there's a demon face under it. So we're gonna try to do that today. I am so nervous, at the same time excited. If I could accomplish this, you guys could accomplish anything. So let's get started with the makeup transformation by putting my hair back, because I'm gonna do a braid, because I'm gonna have to put a bald cap on. Yay. We're also gonna do maybe a sclera eye contact lens, which isn't my favorite, but let's put this hair in a low braid. And we're just gonna get some hairspray to get the baby hairs out of my face. We're gonna cover our ears with a bald cap as well. So hopefully that means that things will be easier than usual, because I hate doing the bald cap around the ears where it tears my hair out. Just sizing this large bald cap. Thanks, Ray. I think it'll fit. Let's first cut her to the correct size. Let's make this shorter. And I'm just gonna lift this up once that's all on, kinda. And then we're gonna get some preside to put on the edges so that we can adhere the edges of the bald cap to the face to make it look smooth without ears. In a layer with a disposable sponge, I am just putting this on my pimple and the edges where the bald cap is gonna adhere. Don't put this on your hair or else you regret it. It might not come out. This might stick worse than glue does. Actually, I know it sticks worse than glue does. I know Telesis is another type of makeup effects adhesive, but this is cheaper and I'm allergic to Telesis. What am I not allergic to is the question of the century. Alright, now that we have that secured, I'm going to get some liquid latex with a red stipple sponge. You can find these at effects stores. If you can't, just use a regular, probably makeup disposable sponge. I'm going to stipple the edges so that it looks more like it's seamless, like there isn't just a line of plastic against my skin that it kind of looks like I'm bald a little bit, just a tad bit. If you look from far away with your eyes like squinted just a little bit, tad bit. Don't get this in your hair. Don't get any of this in your hair or in your mouth or in your eyes, please. You want to do a few layers of this too, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, now that we have the bald cap all glued on, I am going to start flattening down my eyebrows. Depends on how many eyebrow hairs you have is how many layers of glue you want. I do about 3 or 4 for my thickness of my brows. Alright, now we are going to get some red cream paint and start outlining the detail in the holes of his eyes. Oh man, he's terrifying. And he has like little stitch marks here. This is gonna be scary. You kind of want to like have the outline a little bit of like almost like a skull, but if it was on a pumpkin. This is terrifying. It's like if a clown went bad. I don't know why this face reminds me of a clown. Probably because I'm using red right now. Now that we sort of have the outline, let's get a brush, and I mixed this yellow like mustard color with some orange cream paint. It's hard to tell what this character's color is. It's like dark orange in some shots, and then it's like this pukey light orange I'm gonna put on my face now in other shots. You just want to smear this on like mayonnaise on a sandwich. I hate mayonnaise and I can't eat sandwiches unless it's the one from Thundercloud Club in Austin, Texas, because it's gluten-free and I could eat it, and rice-free. I feel like this is going to take me a lot more time than I thought it was going to be. I'm just going to leave parts of this blank because I'm going to put black there, because he has a taller, bigger head up here than he does on the sides. I look like I'm pranking all of you. I look like a baby puked on my face after it ate pumpkin pie. I feel like I'm using also the skin color of The Simpsons for this base. And I'm gonna put it down my neck as well. I'm looking ridiculous. Painting in some of the red marks just in here. Now we got to powder with translucent powder. Now I'm gonna get some brown cream paint and start coloring in detail around this pumpkin face. Gonna put a little bit of orange mixed in like the higher points of this look. So I need some black and brown eyeshadow. Just going to darken in certain parts of like his mouth, and we're gonna do the eye sockets like around here. And I'm gonna get a push liner brush to do the details around these eyes and in the nose area. Across the face of this creepy dude. Now that I have some of the detail in, I'm going to start outlining this whole face to blend in with the background. Is like a subtractive type thing. Alright, so this guy has some like silver stitching on his face, so I am going to get a silver metallic powder, and these are the Graftobian metallic powders that transform with some mixing liquid. So I'm just going to get that, mix it all up with the liquid and the powder to get this beautiful silver. And this is going to be the stitching just across the mouth. Really look at reference pictures of this while you're doing this. And I'm just putting some shadow around the stitching where it's piercing into his flesh with some of the red. Some of the brown eyeshadow, do more shadow around the stitching area. Right now I'm just putting some fake blood in the red parts just to make it look more gooey, like tangible, real-ish. Now for some sclera lenses. Let me take my contact lenses out now. And I'm about to be the idiot that puts in sclera lenses. Yay. These are so hard. Mine are from PinkyParadise.com. Only get your sclera lenses from safe places like that and Sam Haines Studios. Ooh, that was rough. Now that I got those on, I'm gonna put a jacket on and we're gonna call it a day. And after we put in the sclera lenses, these are really hard to look into the camera with. We are completely done with this makeup transformation of this character from Trick or Treat. He's so creepy looking. When he unmasks himself, he looks like this demonic pumpkin. These sclera lenses, every time I wear them, they're really hard for me because I'm light sensitive, and I swear sclera lenses make your eyes even more light sensitive. So if my eyes aren't super wide open during this, you hopefully will understand. Thank you to PinkyParadise.com for providing the sclera lenses. Leave me a comment down below on what you guys would love to see on this YouTube channel next. Subscribe for more videos. I do videos every Monday and Friday, 2 times a week. Videos like this, and I do beauty makeups as well. We have fun, we talk about spooky, scary things, and very interesting topics, if I do say so myself. Now it's time to take this off. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box. I use isopropyl myricate to dissolve the preside in liquid latex to safely get it off my face without damaging my skin. That's really important. I even use micellar water as well. It's such a great product. If you do a recreation of any of my makeups from my YouTube channel, please post on Instagram and tag me, #catsketch. It's time for me to take a shower and get going. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all. I'll see you later, creators. Bye!